Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix camera not working on Windows 11 problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Camera, turn on camera access, also turn on Let apps access your camera. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Select Camera, click View, click Show Hidden Devices, click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, click Scan for hardware changes. Fifth method is open any browser. Type with manufacturer name. Click Browse all products. Click Drivers and Downloads. Select Camera Driver, click Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.